Which would you rather eat? This or this? Hi, my name is John Lee with Dashboard Dudes, and I always say that data is a lot like cooking. Just because we have the ingredients, it doesn't mean we can use them right away. We need to clean them. We gotta cut them. We need to prep them. And ultimately, we need to plate them, because if it doesn't look good, no one's gonna wanna eat it. The problem is that sometimes you have the wrong cook at the wrong station without the right training. For instance, that's like asking a line cook to move off of their line and to become a pastry chef. Now, while that's very possible, it'd be much better if there was some proper training. For instance, I've seen analysts that have been asked to make entire dashboards in a very short amount of time in a tool like Domo without any training in how to use the tool. But imagine you had a structured and proven course that showed you how to use these data tools, and you had a guide that you can reach out to ask specific questions, you had resources that you did not feel alone on this data journey. Well, that's what Dashboard Dudes is here for. I'm here to be your guide through your data journey. What you get with Dashboard Dudes is not only a course on how to use a tool like Domo, but what you also get is time with me. You can check in, you can ask me specific questions, and we'll walk through it together, we'll solve it. That way, your learning curve is gonna be much, much, much faster, and you are gonna be the new head data chef at your organization. With the Dashboard Dudes membership, you get all of the following. Every single course that I've done, a free monthly check-in with me so that you can ask me any questions you have about data, a monthly newsletter with only 1 to 5 10-minute video. That way you can keep up to date with the latest and greatest tips and tricks in data, a video archive list of frequently asked questions so you can see how I solve those questions for most people, automatic templates so that you can get started right away, a menu list of all the single chart types in Domo so you can use that as a reference in building your dashboards, and my award-winning personality. Interested to learn more? Well, click the link. But don't just take it from me. Here are some reviews from some actual Dashboard Dudes members.
Marco says, the Dashboard Dudes course is an excellent introduction to Domo. Not only does John present all the tools in an easy and informative way, but shows you how those tools can become the final product. On top of the technical expertise John brings, he also provides helpful tips that make your dashboards look the cleanest. Brooklyn says, the course has really helped me get myself familiarized with Domo, and it's truly thanks to John. He's a great teacher, very informative, and keeps me encouraged to continue learning. And the bonus cooking videos are a great touch.
Still not sure? That's okay. I have commitment issues too. That's why I'm giving you a free trial of the Dashboard Dudes membership. So if you're ready to learn more and try a Dashboard Dudes membership, just click the link. Hits the spot just like a good dashboard. This is what it's like when somebody makes a dashboard using raw ingredients instead of learning how to first clean those ingredients. No wonder everybody wants to do virtual meetings with me.